Hey, what's up guys, it's Ban here from AndroDollar.com. I've been making videos here on YouTube for over a decade at this point. I've been using Nikon cameras and mostly Canon cameras for most of my productions. But recently, Sony cameras have been getting so good that I thought maybe it's time to jump on board and try out a Sony camera. So what I did was now, because I'm in the process of updating the gear that we use in the channel. So in my previous video, I brought you guys my video on the Rode Wireless Pro, the mic that I'm using right now right here as well. So I thought of upgrading the video quality of the channel as well. So that's why I went ahead and picked up this. So this is the Sony ZV-E10. This is one of their most popular cameras for content creators. It's not really one of the most extreme end cameras, but this is more of a beginner friendly camera, but it's really powerful for content creators, and this one really has a lot of features that will be very useful for me. So that is one of the main reasons why I picked this one up. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. I haven't really got into it yet. Along with that, I also have some spare batteries with the charger, because this one doesn't really come with a charger. You can just plug it and charge while the battery is inside. That's one of its features. But I got this separate charger and some batteries as well, and couple of SD cards, because when we start shooting in 4K, you're gonna need a lot of storage as well. And also this handy little traveling case that I found for the this is official Sony licensed pouch for this camera. So let's go ahead and explore all of these things, and let's get into it. So if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. If you are a content creator, this is a video that you must see, because this camera is quite interesting for all of us content creators. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it and let's unbox this camera. First thing we are going to do is we are going to just have a look at the Sony ZV-E10 camera. So you can see at the top it has the Sony logo. It says insist on official warranty, be protected. So we have a picture of the camera. This is the camera with the kit lens that it comes in. So this is the ZV-E10, like I said. It has the Alpha logo and the model here and a couple of other information at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up right now, and just like that we have a couple of user manuals and a lot of documents actually. So I'm going to explore these later. I'm just gonna keep these to the side for just a sec and just go ahead and open it up. And here we have the camera itself, nicely packed. I'm going to keep that to the side for now and just see what else comes inside the box. So we get the charger. So we get both of these adapters. We get the UK one and the Australian one both. So I'm just going to leave that here. And then inside this little pouch, see what we have. It's actually the wind muffler that we have, that I can go ahead and connect to the top of the camera. So I'm going to keep that also to the side. We also get this EU cable included. So we get 3 types of cables here. That's pretty great. And then we have the battery. So this is the battery that we get. So this is the Sony NP-FW50 battery. And inside this we get this adapter. So I'm just going to leave that also over here. And finally we have the USB Type-C cable. So looks like a pretty good cable, but this is a Type A to Type C cable that we get here. I'm going to leave that also here. And finally we have the strap to connect to the camera. So that's about it for the contents inside the box. So I'm going to move the box aside and now get into the camera. So it's nicely packed here. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it out for the very first time. And yeah, so this is the Sony ZV-E10 4K camera, and it comes with the 16 to 50 millimeter kit lens as well. You can separately buy any lenses as well if you want. I'm planning to pick up a 50 millimeter lens later based on how this one goes. There are a couple of advantages with this, especially if you're trying to record your videos alone and all of that. There are a lot of features like this flip out screen. You can really use it like this. If you can even record things by yourself by using this. And the other advantage is that this is a camera made for video creation. Like we don't even have a viewfinder up here, right, like usual cameras. Everything revolves around this screen at the center, and the buttons here are straightforward, and it's very easy to get started. Whether you want to shoot videos in landscape mode or whether you want to shoot in portrait mode, it's really good. So why don't we go ahead and put the battery inside. So I'm just gonna open this up, get the battery, and I can go ahead and place this inside just like that. Actually, we need to place a SD card as well. So why don't we go ahead and grab one of these SD cards. So this is the SanDisk Extreme Pro. I actually got 3 of these. So I'm just going to go ahead and open one of these up. The thing about these SD cards is it comes with 2 years of warranty. Those days it used to come with lifetime warranty, but nowadays it's coming with 2 years warranty. And to claim the warranty, you actually need to keep this little pouch. That's what I was told. So just a heads up, if you pick up any of these SD cards, make sure that you don't throw away these boxes, because your warranty will be covered using that. Just going to quickly grab that SD card, and we can go ahead and place it here on the camera. So on the side here, so you can just go ahead and place the card over here and plug it in, and then you have to just go ahead and place this lock, and just like that, now we are ready to go. So to turn it on, we have this on switch right here at the top. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on. So it's not turning on, seems like it's dead. So I have to go ahead and plug it to charge. Because the battery is dead, this might be a good time for us to go ahead and check out these batteries and these chargers, the spare ones that I actually got for this. So why don't I go ahead and open this up and show you guys as well. So with this, we get this dual charger. We get this charging cable, again a type C charging cable, which is very convenient to have because almost everything nowadays is type C. We get these batteries, so you can go ahead and place the battery just like this in order to charge it. Why don't we try our luck with one of these batteries? Like, why don't I just pop out the original battery and try my luck with one of these batteries. Maybe this one might have some juice. Oh yeah, just like that, we have battery inside this, so I can go ahead and show you guys the setup. So initially we had to select the language and select the area. So I'm just going to go ahead and select Sri Lanka. We have it under New Delhi. Daylight saving, I don't want that. So what's the date? So today is the 26th of January 2024, and right now it's 3 means 15:49. So the buttons also feel very tactile, very clicky on this. So I'm just going to go ahead and set the time and set the format. All right, so it says imaging edge, that's okay, and now it's preparing the image database file. It says please wait. Actually we have the lens cap here, so that's why we can't see anything. So I'm just gonna remove that, and just like that, now the camera has just started off, right? Feels like a very small camera. Now if I go into the menu, you can see that there are loads of settings here for us to explore, so we can go ahead and check this out later. I'm really excited to go ahead and try out this product focus mode that they have here, they have a feature where you can use that to basically showcase, you know, if you're recording product videos. Like for an example, in my case, if I'm using this to record a video of a new phone or some other tech gadget, it will be very useful for me to use that. So I want to try that out. And this camera, since it's like, you know, built with great audio in mind, we have this wind muffler, like I told you guys earlier. If I want, I can go ahead and place this over here as well. And this is basically going to use the hot shoe mount, but instead what I'm planning to do is, rather than using this, I'm planning to use the Rode Wireless Pro and get this connected to this, so it's going to be very convenient for my workflow. Yeah, so that's a quick look at the Sony ZV-E10, and it's 2024, and I still think that this is one of the best content creator cameras that you can pick up right now. And this thing really covers a lot of bases, from continuous video recording. Unlike Canon, like, you know, the camera that I used to have, the Canon 80D, had the 30 limit record, you know, the limit, right? So every 30 minutes I had to stop the recording and go ahead and get started with a new one and all of that. But this one really has continuous shooting. Then on top of that, this one also has, you know, like if you want to connect via the USB cable, if you give continuous power, you can just keep recording even for extended periods. That's really good. And even the wireless connection with a smartphone and all of that seems to be better on this one, it seems. So I want to try those things out. So yeah, so this is what the camera looks like. It's pretty handy, very small, compact camera, very easy to travel. That's one of the main reasons why I picked this one up as well. So this is the traveling kit that I was talking to you guys about. Now, just to show you guys, if I just go ahead and place this camera inside this is all I have to carry, right? I can use this to place whatever SD cards or batteries or whatever. And if I place this inside, this is pretty easy to carry around. So yeah, very interesting form factor on this camera. And yeah, excited to shoot videos. Let me know what you guys think about the video quality from my next video onwards. I have a lot of exciting content coming up here on the channel. So yeah, that's about it. Guys. If you guys are new to my channel, smash that subscribe button. If you're a content creator, check this one out. This is a Sony ZV-E10 4K camera, 4K mirrorless camera. So you can pick it up for a very good price right now. So that's about it. Let me know what you guys think. If you have used one of these, let me know how your experience has been. I'm going to put this to the test and bring you guys an updated video later on. So with all of that being said, until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.